Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make red lollipops. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget your red food coloring, a flavoring extract like cherry or strawberry, and about 12 lollipop sticks. A candy thermometer and a sturdy saucepan are also crucial for success. Now let's get cooking. Combine your 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water in your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let the syrup boil. Watch your candy thermometer carefully. We're aiming for exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This is a critical step to prevent overcooking. Now, swiftly but carefully, stir in about 10 to 15 drops of red food coloring until you achieve your desired vibrant shade. Immediately follow with 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavoring extract, like cherry or strawberry, and mix it in completely. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to set. With your flavored and colored syrup ready, it's time to form your lollipops. Carefully pour small, round portions onto a silicone mat or greased parchment paper. Work quickly, as the candy cools fast. Immediately place a lollipop stick into each warm candy, twisting gently to secure it. Ensure there's enough space between each lollipop. Let them cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes until they are completely hard and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.